while I let my makeup brushes soak, I'm going to start to pack some of my other makeup items. So this is my makeup go bag. It has my foundation that I use, blush, concealer, all that kind of stuff. So I'm definitely taking that. I need to go through these to see what items I need. Let's see. I'll show you what's in there in a moment. Move these out of the way. I'm definitely taking this palette with me. It's one of my favorites right now because it has so many good colors. So many good colors. It does have a lot of fallout when I use it, but that's okay. I really like it. Any other makeup items? Oh, this has some stuff in it, so I'm gonna check through here. So I organized my makeup based on like what it's used for. So this has a lot of eyeshadow, eyelashes, stuff like that in there, so I'll look through that. As far as my lipsticks, probably like take 2 or 3. I don't wear lipstick all that much, so. And as far as makeup goes, oh, my beauty blenders, my eyebrow scissors, for sure taking those. Anything else back here makeup related? No. Alright, so let's get through looking through these and see what I will take. Alright, so I'm about to go through my makeup to see which items I'm taking with me. I'm at the kitchen table because I need like space to kind of spread out. Helps me stay organized. And my bathroom's a little messy, so I'm here. I'm gonna start with, for sure, taking my go bag. It has all my basic items in it, like I said, my foundation, concealer, eyebrow pencil, those things, all the necessities minus the brushes. I'm not gonna take this on the plane with me. Since I'm getting to the Philippines really early in the morning, most likely I'm gonna go to my hotel and crash for a little bit. So I don't need this because I don't like sleeping in makeup. I already said I was gonna bring this makeup palette. As far as mascara, I don't always use all of these. I am gonna take this one. This is the one I use a lot, and then my cream. So I use these two a lot, so I'll take only these two. If I need more mascara, I'll buy some more. It doesn't cost that much. This is my shadow switch, so I wipe my, like while I'm doing my makeup, since I don't have as many brushes to just keep picking new ones up, I'll like wipe it on here so I can switch the color and still use it. So I'm definitely taking this with me. Oh, I bought 2 of these because it was really hard to find it. This is my eyeliner, so I'm taking this with me in case my other one runs out. Airspun, taking it. Airspun again, this is their loose highlight. And it's super pretty. It's like a pink, translucent pink. And I got it for $3, definitely taking that with me too. Now, for these containers, I got these containers at Dollar Tree. They're pencil boxes, and this holds lip and face related things, and this one holds eye related things. So all of my eyeliners are in here, lip pencils and stuff like that is in here. I already said I'm taking my beauty blenders. I have these face masks that I got for Christmas. I started off with like 12. Down to 3. I also like to do like face masks, like parties. It's not really a party. Like me and my nieces and cousins get together and we'll do face masks. Taking those. Scissors, of course. I need to get my tweezers as well because I do my own eyebrows. Right, don't I look good? This is no makeup eyebrows. I do my own eyebrows. I'll take this. I like a good black. You gotta have red. I actually have 2 shades of red. I don't know what the second. Oh, taking both shades of red. A neutral, a black. I think that might be it. Yeah, that might be it. So I'm taking these things, but I also understand that I might not be wearing makeup all that much. It depends on how comfortable I am. Because like, I know I'm gonna stand out already because I'm black. The question is, do I want to stand out even more wearing makeup? I'm taking both of my face razors because I shave my face and like my mustache, and I also use it for my eyebrows. Definitely need this. This is what I use my brow freeze with. It's like a spoolie with a little spatula. On days I don't do my makeup, in the morning I usually just brush my eyebrows. Taking that. I don't use these brushes all that much, so I'm not gonna bring these. Alright, so those are the makeup items that I'm bringing with me, and I'll show you how I pack them as well. So I bought this eyebrow pencil from Ulta, and I accidentally, maybe not even accidentally, but I got it a shade too dark. Can you see the difference? So this is dark brown, this is espresso, so it's more of a brown. This one's like closer to black. So I need to exchange that because that's too dark, because this one already is a little dark for me sometimes. So I need to exchange that before I pack it. Alright, so I'm gonna pack all the stuff in this bag. This is the bag that came with my makeup removing face rags. And it's pretty decent size. I think I can fit most of my stuff in here. So this is not gonna go in there because I don't need it to. It's in its own little bag. Just make sure stuff is like kind of flat in there. As flat as can be. So these are all the makeup items, minus my brushes that I'll be bringing. Next up, I'll be doing my hair care products. So I really just have my hair tools and a couple of oils that I need to refill on. I can refill this one right now. Along with this container, I also have this container. And these are the things that I don't use as much. It's mostly full of hair products. And then I have like a waxing kit. I'm gonna go through this and see what I want to take. I think I'll take this hair for sure in case my hair starts to thin again, so I can repair it myself. Blow dryer. I don't use it very often, so I don't think I'll take that. I also have like nail stuff in here, which I'll also go through to see what I can take with me, so I can save money and do my own like feet. That's what I usually do anyway. Okay, let's see. It's a lot to go through. I need to put my phone down. Alright, I'm definitely taking my beads with me. Definitely taking my beads. I've packed my makeup items, mostly. Again, just waiting on the brushes. Gathered my hair care products and tools to be packed. So I checked both of those things off of my to-do list. What I'm going to do now is either find a bag to start packing some of my stuff in, or gather my documents. All right, so it is 8:42 now. I've been doing stuff all day. Most of my list is done. Here, let me show you. Yep, so most of my list is done. I checked a lot of things off. The only things that are left are pack my ankle care items. I have 1 or 2 things ready for that. I just have to grab one more thing from downstairs. Pack my travel bag, which I'll do after I pack all the other stuff. And then gather travel meds. As far as travel meds go, I'm not really sure what I want to pack for that. I think that I might check out the store tomorrow and see what I can pick up and then maybe carry that in my travel bag. I don't know if I have room in there. So what I'm about to do now is all of my stuff is spread around my room. This is the bag that I'm going to try to fit everything into. My husband used this when he went to Kuwait. It has his name on the front, our name on the front. So I'm going to try to pack one bag. With the airlines that I'm flying, you get 2 bags up to 50 pounds each. I'm going to see if I can fit everything into one bag and pray that it's not too heavy. I know it's going to be over 50 pounds, obviously with all the stuff that I have, but I can just pay $100 for a bag that's about 70 pounds. So hopefully it only gets to 70 pounds because it'd be much easier if I only had to carry around one bag, because I have to get my luggage from the baggage claim when I get to my layover and then recheck it with another airline. So I don't want to have too many things I have to get. So if I can just do this one big bag, that would be awesome. So check out how I pack. Okay, so right quick, the only thing that I've packed inside of this bag so far are my shoes, my like bottoms, like pants, dresses, and like undergarments. And it already feels kind of heavy and it's close. I still have quite a bit of room. Like I could probably fit all of my tops in there. Oh, I also have my towels. I can probably fit all of my tops in there, but it's really starting to feel heavy right now. So I have this little like scale. Let's see. Yeah, I have this little scale and it goes up to 75 pounds. I'm gonna see how much this weighs right now. Because like I said, it feels kind of heavy. keep rolling over my toe. See it? Not too bad so far. So just about almost 55 pounds. Okay, let me do it one more time. I like to do it a couple times. This time it says it's close to 60 pounds. Very close to 60 pounds. Okay, I am going to see if I can just do my tops in here, check how much it weighs again, and I might have to put the rest of the stuff in a separate bag. It exceeds 62 inches. All right, so the time is 10:30. If you can see, I still don't have my shirts packed, and I have like all this stuff still over here. I'm really tired. I feel like I've been working hard all day and I still didn't get my hair done. I still didn't de-hair, so my legs are still like a spider's. And I didn't even finish packing, but I got a lot of stuff done today. So the issue that I'm running into is that my bag is gonna be too big and it's gonna be too heavy. So the airlines that I'm flying with, and most airlines as well, I think only allow up to like either 61 or 68 inches for your bag total. And that's with the height, width, length added together. This bag I'm sitting on is almost 80 inches. So it's really big. So I don't think I'll be able to take it. And then last that I weighed with what's in it right now, it was about 57, 58 pounds. So I was originally thinking that like take this one bag, get it to be like 70 pounds, pay $100. But when I look back at the policies, it said that it can't exceed a certain size as well, which this does. So my husband was able to take this to Kuwait, but he was on active duty orders. They allow you to take bags this big. I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it. So what I'm gonna do is zip it up and take it to the airport tomorrow to see if they would let me take it onto the plane. I'll explain my situation, that I'm going on a 9-month trip that's funded by the government. It's not the same as being active duty, but I'm gonna see if they could help me out a little bit. So if I could at least take this and another suitcase, because I know one more suitcase would be able to fit my shirts and the extra stuff that I have. So I'm gonna see if they can work with me. Hopefully they can, but then the other issue is the other airline, and they're not based here, so I don't think I could ask them. So I'm gonna try to figure it out, but honestly, like I said, I'm just really tired. You can hear it in my voice, and I just want to go to bed. So I'll finish packing tomorrow, and I'll do my hair during the day tomorrow sometime. I'll try to wake up a little early so I can get all this stuff done. All right, so see y'all tomorrow. I'll let y'all know how it goes at the airport.